Hello! Join me on a journey to explore the intersection of fashion and culture and how they influence each other in a very luxurious way in our most affluent and thought-provoking videos. Welcome to my channel, GatsbyGh. My name is Rai. I am a registered nurse by profession and a mother of 3 young children. I have a burning passion for fashion and complete interest in celebrity fashion and lifestyle. As a mother of 3 young children, I know the importance of balancing style and practicality. With that being said, I believe that fashion should be accessible to all. And while we produce content that is of luxury nature, haute couture, expensive, glamorous stuff, we want every single person who comes onto this platform to gain inspiration from what is being shown on the runway to use their own or to create their own unique personal style from their own closet without breaking the bank. Well, my goal for this platform is for every woman to feel confident and beautiful in their skin while expressing their personal style. So join me on this journey as I create content that are full of practical stuff, like just for the average mama, average me and you, the average us. If you like the content that we're producing, then by all means just hit that subscribe button and like, share, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to all, just so that you will not miss any episode that we create. Thank you very much, and let's make this legacy together.